It's been something I've been self-conscious about my whole life, and I've just had breathing problems and really bad nose bleeding, and I hope to get all that resolved too, as well as my self-esteem. So
this is truly going to be life transformative. I see it happen day to day. The main thing with her that's going to really change the game for her in her whole life and the facial balance she's going to have is the nose. The nose is the center of the face. With her, her cheekbones are kind of on the flat side. She has good fullness here, but she doesn't have cheekbones that come out here as much, so we're going to accentuate that with fat transfer technique. In general, the overall size of the entire nose is probably 50% bigger than it really needs to be for her. So the height from her cheek to the bone here, the height from here to the bone, and the tip projection, the amount the tip projects from her face is very large for her face and out of proportion. It's a very advanced technique though, to go and reduce this part properly, balance it with this part reduced, the height from here reduced, as well as the tip reshaped as well as reduced. In addition, the proportion here when it's changed won't be enough. We need to go and fill under her eyes here, get her some cheek enhancement. And at the same time from inside the mouth, I'm going to do the famous buccal fat procedure, which I do, which tons of celebrities do and a lot of people do, and you won't be able to even tell when they do it. You'll just think they lost weight and they have sculpted natural cheekbones. A little bit of a chin implant here to give her some projection and height. We'll balance it out when we get the nose together.
Whatever's natural, whatever looks natural for me, for my eyes, for my face is kind of just what I want. It all turned out great. Before, I was doing the duck face all the time, and now I'm just smiling. Everyone notices I'm smiling a lot better. Since he did the chin, that's probably the biggest impact. I know the nose, but the chin really is what made it with the cheeks. I mean, it all came together beautifully.
She's far out enough from her surgeries where we can evaluate her results today. So first thing we're starting with, we did a rhinoplasty on her, which was the main procedure because it was really dominating her central face and it took away too much from her face. Now her beautiful eyes, her green eyes are popping and showing. She doesn't have these circles under her eyes anymore. The cheekbones have been filled, so we did fat transfer to the malar area or cheek area. The rhinoplasty, we kept it really natural and subtle, but it's about half the size of what it used to be. It's a lot smaller. And when you turn to the profile, you can see how the cheek augmentation and the rhinoplasty together, along with the chin augmentation we did, completely balanced her face and made it a lot softer. Everything just flows a lot better.
The size, he did that perfect from what we talked about. I definitely see a huge 180 results from what he did. Especially women coming up to me and saying how beautiful I am has definitely boosted my confidence.